What are the different types of injection mold cooling systems? Injection molding is a manufacturing process that involves injecting a melted material, such as plastic or metal, into a mold cavity. The material is then cooled and solidified in the mold, and the finished part is removed. Cooling the material during the injection molding process is crucial for ensuring that the part has the desired strength, dimensional accuracy, and surface finish. Several types of cooling channel systems can be used in the injection molding machine, each with its advantages and disadvantages. Water-cooled systems. Water-cooled systems are the most common type of air cooling system used in injection molding. They use water jackets or channels to circulate chilled water around the mold cavity and cool the material as it solidifies. Water-cooled systems are efficient, reliable, and relatively low cost, making them a popular choice for many injection molding applications. Air-cooled systems. Air-cooled systems use fans or blowers to circulate air around the mold cavity and cool the material as it solidifies. Air-cooled systems are generally less efficient than water-cooled systems, but they have the advantage of being simpler and cheaper to operate. Air-cooled systems are often used in smaller injection molding operations or in applications where water is not readily available. Oil-cooled systems. Oil-cooled systems use circulating oil to cool the mold cavity and the material as it solidifies. Oil-cooled systems are more efficient and effective at removing heat transfer efficiency from the mold than air-cooled systems, but they are more expensive to operate and maintain. Oil-cooled systems are typically used in larger injection molding operations or in applications where high cooling rates are required. Cryogenic cooling systems. Cryogenic cooling systems use extremely low temperatures, typically achieved through the use of liquid nitrogen or liquid helium, to cool the mold cavity and the material as it solidifies. Cryogenic cooling systems are highly effective at removing heat from the mold and can achieve cooling rates that are much faster than those of other cooling process systems. However, cryogenic cooling systems are expensive to operate and require specialized equipment, making them less practical for many injection molding applications. Mixed media cooling systems. Mixed media uniform cooling systems combine two or more of the above cooling methods to achieve the desired cooling rate and mold temperature control. For example, a mixed media plastic injection mold cooling system might use water to cool the mold cavity and air to cool the material as it solidifies. Mixed media cooling systems are typically more expensive to operate than single media systems, but they can offer the benefits of multiple cooling methods in a single system. Conclusion. In conclusion, several different types of water cooling system can be used in injection molding, each with its advantages and disadvantages. The most suitable injection molding cooling channel system for a particular injection molding application will depend on factors such as the size and complexity of the mold, the material being molded, and the required cooling rate and temperature control.